put the mark halfway on the lower shear edge and both sides, and then use C-clamps to hold it in place so it doesn't shift while I'm actuating the handle. So if we bring the handle up and bring it down, here you can see, and cut. Let's see how well we did. The other side, and the part didn't shift. I've got a little bit of marker on both sides of the edge, so I'm happy with that cut. So this is kind of a technique to quickly transfer all the hole center lines in various pieces here. So what I've done is I've cut off the corners of the 1:1 scale print, and then what I try to do is line the edges of the print lines with the edges of the part. I'm now ready to transfer the holes, and so I use well, actually, I should get a piece of tape and tape this down. I'm going to do that. So I put a bit of Scotch tape, or cello tape as they say in the UK, and if I take my auto center punch and put the tip right over the vertex of it, and then mark the hole, I do that for each of them, and then I'll do the other side of the plenum the same. Okay, this would be the end plenum, and there's quite a bit more to mark with the auto center punch, and what I'm going to be doing is marking the points at where I want, see the dashed lines here, that's where the press brake is going to be oriented to form the part, and then at each of these points for the sliding slots to allow for the attachment of the screws, I'm going to be just marking the center of the innermost hole, and then up here the clearance for the handle I'll be marking up at the edge here, close to the center here, and then at a number of spots along here, so I can just kind of connect the dots with my marker, so when I'm using the air nibbler I can nibble it out. And then I've got these areas here that clear the nuts for the top mount. So I've laid out where all the little marks need to be. Sharpie markings of all the critical cuts and fold lines that need to be made on the part. Oops, I missed two of the little cutouts at the top. I guess I'll have to go back and get those. I added the little cutouts for the nuts, and I realized that I had actually traced the wrong line for one of the folds. That's unfortunate, but I'm glad I caught it.